Blessed Christmas, it's raining. Ito yung yummy barbecue. Pork barbecue. Narinig ko kapon. Parang sunog na nga yun, no? It's a jolly, jolly Christmas.
Now it's recording.
I need to get the ones that are mine.
Hi guys, yan na po. Shane is going to open his Christmas gift.
I'm just gonna like...
Shane, greet them Merry Christmas first.
Merry Christmas. Oh no, that's... I need to find the ones...
Yan, hanap siya ng hinahanap niya yung
that
gift niya.
one.
It's getting dark, It's really like this.
I don't know if that one's mine. I don't know if this is...
If it says Shane,
Well, it says Shane.
then it's Shane.
I think that's all. No, that's all right. I knew it.
Shane.
Rubbish in the bin behind you.
Shane, what's that?
It's a Go Play Game Traveler Pack for the Switch.
Ah, that's the only one to prepare you, probably. No, Daddy. To prepare him for having a
No.
Switch.
Hey, basket behind you. Rubbish.
Mom should open hers so that we can use that. Ah,
Oh,
you
yeah,
didn't,
we can use that.
you didn't show it. Show it
I
first.
did.
Start, you read it again.
Go Play Game Traveler Pack.
Come on, take it to me.
It's all there.
It's showing.
I knew it, dude. I can feel...
What's that? Ay, shoes! You have shoes!
Yeah, I knew it.
You what? That you have shoes?
The box.
What's that? It's perfect for you.
Oh my god.
That. Nice.
Wait.
Oh my God! Do you have any idea? Yeah, you have to grab all the gift tags. Do you have any idea what's inside, Shane? What's in your mind? Don't open it. I will ask you first. What do you think it is?
Don't know.
No idea at all. Oh, a perfume! We gave you a perfume. I didn't know.
No. No. There's no way. There's no way. I can't.
Be careful, because yours is like really like it needs to be thrown in the rubbish.
There's no. What I?
You didn't expect?
What iPhone is it? Which?
That's what I put storage for your eyes and everything.
Is it? What? 8, 9. What is it?
You will see. Just open.
Don't open it now.
Daddy will set it up.
I'll set it up now.
Oh. I didn't. I forgot.
That's okay.
That's okay.
I'm too.
Sit back down.
That's okay. Go back.
Please don't take it open.
What's that?
Oh my. Yes, finally.
Shane,
Nintendo Switch.
when you say Nintendo. Again, when you say Nintendo.
Nintendo Switch.
Ah, okay, I thought you said Nintendo.
I think you did a mistake. I think this is not for me. It said.
Who's that?
That is.
Oh.
Yesterday, I asked.
Oh yeah.
Ah, yeah, you put it there. School. Porksicle.
You did get me something.
Who's that?
Colleen.
Ah, Kim.
Linda, our treasurer,
Ah.
really lovely lady.
Oh, this is from Fortnite.
Is it?
Yeah. Okay. What size?
It's a bit medium.
They got a whole pile of new.
Oh, you showed me. Thank you. Hey.
Don't put the back there. Just put it back there.
I know what this is.
Do you?
Keep all the gift bags.
I need it.
It's just a card. I couldn't think of anything to get him.
Look at his face. Look at his face.
It's a good excuse to go shopping.
Yeah.
Someone very special. You did it. It's not for me. You should do the rest of it. Did it in his mind.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
sweet.
Protect your laptop.
I reckon we should bring in a new rule for next
That
year.
other one is yours too, underneath up the top. The brown one.
No, it's fully.
I reckon we should bring in a new rule, one present only for each person.
No more. That's included the birthday and the. What's that? Can I see?
Screenshot.
Oh yeah, we need that.
No, there's another one up the top, mate.
The, Look out there. What is that?
It's an iPhone case, right? Yeah, see? Oh, you got yours. I see.
What's that, Dad?
iPhone case, right?
open the iPhone. Galing talaga ni Daddy. When did you do that?
It's my box. It's not. It's my box and my case.
Oh.
Got one for your phone.
Show them. This one you can throw, not the pelican box.
Coffee. Oh, there must be like.
That's enough.
That's it.
There must be like. That's it. Okay. Nana, you want to do that?
Now you bring it over here.
So this is.
That's the aftermath of Shani.
the
It's in a
heaviest-
basket. Oh, ini siya nun. Penistic. Ay, it's dark here.
Because we don't want you to see it.
It changes the light. Help Nana to open it. Wreck it.
No. We're gonna get this the rubbish here. Like
Yeah,
it
that's
is.
just some wrapping paper for next year. We might need it.
Yeah, sure.
Ay, Shani, you have one pa pala. The polo one where the card is. There. You said there must be. So it's 12. Oh, the 12. This, the bag.
The bag. Yeah, that bag, yeah.
Because I'm 12.
So that's 12. Yay, 12. 12 gifts for a 12-year-old boy. That's my title.
Do I get 12?
I think you get like 4 or 5. Oh, wait. Oh. Yeah,
Shani naman, I'm recording. Of course, that's how sustainable Daddy is. Call it sustainable.
Just what I always
Oh, Shani picked that, Mom.
I just always wanted. I need a watering can.
You asked for it, you got it.
The box of rubbish, mate.
And we chose one that's not too heavy, no, Shani?
Yeah,
Will it be
that's
too
right.
heavy for you and just the right size?
Thank you.
that's.
You're welcome.
I want Daddy to open this because he's got good gifts.
Yeah.
That red bag's yours, Dad. That red bag's yours.
Daddy, you should wear your green shirt. Why are you wearing that? Your kili. Oy, the bag don't.
No, there's one more. Oh, wait, is that for me? Oh.
Ayo, Nana first,
Oh,
Nana.
yeah, I thought Nana only got one. Yeah, Nana.
Hang on. Thank you. Oh,
Zach.
See, the other one, we pretended that it's heavy. That one is actually heavy.
David said, thanks. Wish you everyone up there the same. Love, kisses, blah blah. Thumbs up.
May thumbs up pa.
Yeah.
Nana is opening like that. Blah, blah, blah. Because I'm not saying anything. I just recorded.
I was wondering
Oh,
why.
that's lovely, Shane.
What?
I love you in my heart. I love that. That's gorgeous.
Oh, yeah, we did that one. While you were picking up Daddy.
Shane talaga. Everything has to be revealed.
Because we had to do order, like,
The best gift ever.
we had to, like,
What's
So
that?
you sent me
Watering
out
can.
on a rainy night.
yeah, we did.
Leave that there, mate. I'll set that later for you.
Oh, Shani, when you need Nana, you say, Shane, when you need Nana here, you say, Mom, you remember I said to you, I love you in my heart.
Yes, but I don't love you enough to drive 3 hours.
Yan, nayos ulit po ni Daddy's cat. Ay, Shane, turn on the Christmas lights.
Yeah.
Ay, you smell it, Mom.
It's not strong.
It's so
Oh,
nice.
yeah, I remember that.
Shani chose that. Shani ba?
No,
Daddy?
Daddy chose the smell. I chose the
The scent, the smell. a bingit. It's not a bingit.
That's okay.
Hello, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hi, why is it?
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
Oh my gosh, Pandora, look. It doesn't say how much, Mom.
$1 million.
Wow! I can know that. Thank you, Mom.
Daddy actually,
It's million.
Daddy actually bought it from
Cute.
Nana.
The gift card, oh, so cute.
Because I couldn't get it in Gimpy.
Hey,
God, you're a bit.
Ano ba yan? Ikaw pala. Kaya pala hindi recognize the wrapper is like similar to ours. Ang hina ko, guys. Oh, Pandora. It's so cute. I love it. Thank you, Mom.
If I spend it with you, just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again.
Maybe this is Pandora too. He said, it starts with letters. He said, Costco. And then later, starts with letters.
Oh, so
What did you
pajamas.
say? K.
look at Kate.
K.
That's true.
It's a shirt.
Oh, okay.
I see that.
Open.
Daddy bought that shirt.
You, see if it...
That's right, better.
No, you're not trying it on. Just see the size. What's this thing? It's a Pandora too. I knew it.
You need the big box back up here.
Pandora again from Shani. I don't know where he got his money. Throw. Wow, what? Oh, really?
You got that for free. That one. The one you're holding, you got that.
This one free?
Yeah, but not the thing on it.
If you spend so much money, you get this for free. So,
Oh, how do you? Where does it go? To
That
my-
one's on your other one.
And this one? You spend so much money? How can I wear this? It's so tight.
you put it on. You don't put it on like that.
No.
Ow. I like it.
And you can buy different ones like that.
I like it. It's for this is for the everyday one, ano?
Yeah, so you can move those little ones up there, so it keeps it.
Yes. Until you get
And then
I
that
like
one.
this because it's Pandora
And then
and
that one's a charm.
a charm.
I've got items.
No, I chose this before and Daddy just bought it because he knows that I like it. No, Pandora. Okay.
Get you to open up the card.
Oh, ganda. I love this. I'll open the card now.
No, Scott.
Open this because I've opened the gift.
Daddy, you know?
I've opened Shani's gift. I'll open also the card. Their cash. Mommy, I love you. Ooh, really? This much. Merry Christmas to the best loving mom in the world. I love you so much. I appreciate the help and oh, Shane, you always make a mistake with spelling.
Yes, okay.
With
Look at the
this
cat
supporting for my life. Thank you.
Wait.
From the best loving mom in the world.
I mean, 2019.
It's so cute. Thank you, anak. This is what's. Ooh!
Well, that's obviously for Dad.
Well, can I see what is it? What gift card?
Savers siya.
Oh, wait, is that nothing?
What will you say to mom?
Okay.
Okay, this is it. Yours first.
I like
This
I
is
love
the
this
last
one.
one.
This is my favorite gift I've pulled.
You bought? Really?
Yeah.
Have a holly jolly Christmas
It's a book.
No.
and a happy holiday.
It's something.
Vegan.
For you to start next year, because that's your plan to be a vegan next year.
You and Courtney, maybe I will too.
You like it?
Yeah, that's good.
Open it.
There's 100 different recipes.
You can actually buy it from Domino's. You can actually get vegan pizza and vegan cheese.
100 different recipes. You can get ideas.
Yeah, that's good. Oh,
Oh,
Because it won't be enough, the 50.
And
That equals to 130 for your
and then
groomer, body groomer for next year when they do
when they get them in.
Yeah, when they get them.
that's
There.
in the juice of the other.
So you have 2 cards there, and you have mom's bunnies. Are you like it?
Yeah.
We got,
Good. I saw this one. Yeah.
there was only
and
like,
I like it because it's hardbound.
and there was only like 2 books.
Yeah, that's the best one. No, we went to Target and I don't like it.
Type and Target picked up the gift card. Diamonds.
And what's going to happen if Daniel, if Shane doesn't want to go vegan?
What's that, Mom?
What are you going to do with Shane if he doesn't want to go vegan?
I don't know. That's hard. When one, you have to cook for someone that's not vegan.
Yeah, but a lot of them are easy recipes, isn't it? And you
No, I
can
mean
just
when you mix it with like Shane, he wants chicken and everything. Meat.
No, thank you. Keep on.
I got, is that
This one, the final.
Dad, is that
This one or this first? Card or this?
Dad, is
What
that
do
the
you
one
think,
I got
Shane?
now?
Card first or the gift?
Yeah.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh oh, la 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 la. Oh oh, la 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 la. Oh oh, la 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you.
Oh, a vacuum cleaner.
Dyson?
Wait.
Oh, because I saw this. Yeah, this is expensive.
I got that. I got that a fair while ago.
Thank you.
What is it?
The one that I was looking for. When did you get this? When I was looking?
No, when everybody was at.
Is this an expensive one?
I'm not telling you.
No, Daddy got this when I was at school. You were at work. When everybody
I'm
was.
putting an order and I'd like a new car for next Christmas.
But I thought it's Dyson. What's that, Daddy? When? This
I would have. Nah.
is
I
the
don't.
expensive one. Did you get this before I was looking or after? After.
No, he got it when everybody was at like
Well,
work or school.
you mentioned it once a fair while ago.
This how it's supposed to be. Making our Christmas memories. Oh oh, la 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 la. Oh oh, la 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. So good to see you.
Kala ko Gucci pa. It's so nice.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.
Ito naman yun. Bakit close na close?
What is that?
It's tree.
Ooh.
Wait, did I do that? No, that can't be.
Nice. Okay. Okay.
Oh, Daddy got.
Give this to Colleen. Ay, she has 3. From me? No, from Nana. Mom Colleen. Here.
That's maybe
Ay,
like.
ate, photo muna sana ng beauty. Pero di ba yan, nakabukas na yan. Ay, bye, 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 hindi. Just give it to her. Just like that.
Sit down there.
Sit here para ma-record konti. Kahit konti lang. Kabayo siya. Hindi sa akin yan kay Ma'am Billy. Galing kay Ma'am Billy. Ayaw niya sirain. She doesn't wanna rip it.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh.
How do you open this, Daddy? It's locked? Hindi ko gifts. Ako nagbukas. Mamaya na siguro ano. I don't know how to open that.
Show mo sa Mikayla.
Mom, you bought that and then just wrote from Shein. Because I don't remember buying anything. I don't.
We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you.
She likes it, but she didn't get it.
Yeah,
She said,
she had to wait.
wait for the sale. She said, finish. You finish your card.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
So, whose card na lang? Whose gift na lang? Hindi out. Thank you, Mom.
That's okay. See, I can buy Pandora and give you, but I can't get a gift card.
Kasi Scott, I didn't realize.
I can't get a gift card up here.
I didn't realize the wrapper for our trip. Thank you, Dad.
Wait, is that what's that?
Always making a comment.
Yeah.
Why?
What's this?
Here.
Can you open it, Mom?
Yeah, the side. Just the side. Just sit down. Sit there. Ah, it's sealed?
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go.
Open na. Ay, baliktad, anak.
That still has that
These are the good times with you. Baby,
touch screen. That you convert into iPhone.
You like it?
by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles flowers in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby,
Okay, bye guys.
Yes. You say like, subscribe, and please,
Bye, subscribe.
please.
Peace out. Me.
No, say please like. Come on, subscribe and comment down below. Come on. Come on, Shani. This is my outro. Come on.
Bye, subscribe, peace out, like, comment. Bye.
Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.